So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this video, just click to the subscribe button for more videos like this. So today we are going to talk about how to remove background without Photoshop. There is a lot of difficulties people are facing while removing the background in Photoshop. So there is a simple solution for that. This remove.bg, this is the website name, remove.bg, and you just can upload the image and that image will be automatically removed with the background. Let's try it once. Just upload images, click to the upload images and select this image as for a sample. Just wait for a while and you can see that the image background is already removed. So you can download this image from this download button, and also you can check out some of the background images. Likewise, you can upload your own images, background images, or you can take some samples like sample image if you like these ones, or if you like these ones. I like this one, so I will try with this. So just click on this and your image background will be changed automatically. You can download with the bottom download button this image. For now we just removing that and just cut this option. Just click and just download your images. So hopefully this video will help you to remove your background. Most of the image you can remove your background with a quick easy step without any kind of technical skill or the Photoshop required. Thank you so much.